Okay, now, first of all, we are going to start our session with present simple tense. And we use present simple tense for a variety of purposes, and this is very important tense. By the way, in total, we have 12 tenses, and out of those 12 tenses, 3 tenses are very important: present simple, past simple, and future simple. We also call these tenses at present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite, right? Now, as far as present simple is concerned, we use this tense whenever we want to talk about something that is a repeated action. Now, what is repeated action? If you say, I get up early in the morning, so that doesn't mean one day, that means every day. So this is repeated action. If you say, I go to office, so that doesn't mean you go to office one day, that means you go to office every day or like all the 5 days of the week, right? So we are going to focus present simple tense. First of all, I will come to you and you will make 2 to 3 sentences about anything. For example, I learn English, I watch movies, I watch TV programs, like that. Please, you start.
I watch movies.
Okay.
I watch.
Now,
I listen.
one thing. Please try to be quick because we have to develop fluency also. So try to think about something that is very simple. Instead of saying I watch, you say I watch movies, I visit my relatives, I go to the restaurants, and on Sunday I enjoy delicious breakfast. Just talk about variety of things, no repetition, please.
I visit park. I visit zoo. I
Now,
visit.
again, you're making all sentences with I visit. We are not doing this. You need
Okay.
to make sentences in 5 different directions, okay?
Okay.
Now, it's your turn, please. Yeah.
I come to
I come to Royal Palm.
Royal Palm
Very good.
to take class, spoken class,
Okay.
and I go to market
Very
to
good.
shopping,
Okay, I go to market
Turkey
for
for
shopping.
shopping.
Okay.
and I go to gym for exercise.
All right. Very good. Now, see, you're making all your sentences with go. Try to use variety.
I
cook food.
I cook food.
And by the way, we will use first form of the verb. That's it. No ing with first form, okay? Yeah. And
And
I obey my parents, like that. Okay, your turn, please. Can you pass the mic on? वहाँ से करें इसको थोड़ा सा. Okay. That's all right. That's all right now. Fine. Yeah.
Every morning I go to my office, and every morning I do gym,
Okay.
and Sunday I
On Sunday,
and on Sunday I cook with my family,
Okay.
and every Saturday I play football with my friends.
All right. That's good. Your turn, please.
Thank you. I read books.
I read books.
Yes. I play with my kids, and I listen talks.
Yeah,
like
I listen
TED Talks.
to talks. Yeah, I listen to tech talks.
I listen to tech talks, and I go office.
I go to office.
I go to office.
Okay, very good. Okay, now this time we're going to make some negative sentences. And these negative sentences can be like, I don't care. Sometimes people say, I don't mind. I don't get up early in the morning. I don't disturb my family members. So please make some sentences.
I don't listen negative rumors,
Good.
or
I don't listen to.
I don't listen to negative rumors, and I do not believe on mainstream media news.
Yeah, I don't believe news. Okay,
And I can say
all right, that's fine. Next one, please.
I don't like to play cricket. I don't like bad people.
I don't like bad people.
I don't like bad people. I don't walk. I don't like to walk in the morning.
I don't like to walk in the morning. Okay, that's right. It's your turn, please. Here you go.
I don't like Lazy peoples.
Good. Lazy people, not
Lazy-
peoples.
lazy
Lazy
pe-
people. Yeah.
Lazy people. I don't. I don't sleep in the morning.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't like. I don't like.
I don't
comedy
like-
comedy movies.
All right. I don't like comedy movies.
Comedy movies.
Very good. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Please, your turn.
I don't like. Uh,
Now, don't just use like. You can say, I don't get up early in the morning. I don't disturb others. I don't tell lies.
I don't thought negative thing.
Okay. I don't talk about negative things.
I don't scared.
I don't
Scare
scare. Okay. I don't scare other people.
other people,
Good.
and
All right.
I don't go to outing.
Okay, I don't go for outing. Now this time you guys you will start this activity. Now this time you guys are going to ask me questions. Whenever you want to ask questions, you say do you? For example, do you get up early in the morning? And the answer is yes I do or no I don't. For example, do you go to office every day? Yes I do. Yes I do or no I don't. For example, do you cook food?
Yes, I cook.
Yes I do. No, not cook.
Oh, yes,
Yes
I
I do. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you use mobile?
Yes, I
Do you tell lies?
no. Lie?
No, I
Not.
don't. No, I
Not.
don't. Yes, I do, and no, I
Not.
don't. Okay, now it's your turn, please. Do you waste your time?
No, I don't.
Do you get up late in the morning?
No, I don't.
Do you play cricket?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the park for walk?
Yes,
Yes, I do,
Yes,
or
I do.
no,
Yes, I do.
don't.
Yes, I
Exactly.
do.
Very, very simple. Okay, now let's move on. It's going to be your turn. Do you go for shopping?
Yes. Yes, I go.
Yes, I do. Okay, you will not say yes, I go and all that. Yeah, yes, I do. It should be on. All right, now let's go on. Do you go to foreign countries?
Yes, I do.
Do you work?
Yes, I work.
Not
Yes, I
yes,
do
I
work.
work. Yes,
Yes,
I
I
do.
do work.
Okay. Do you sleep a lot?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Do you drink water?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now your turn, please. Let's move on. Do you waste your time?
No, I don't.
Do you go out with your friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to music?
No, I don't.
Okay, good. Now this time you will ask me some questions with do you. Let's start.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you play cricket?
No, I don't.
Do you walk in the morning?
Yes, I do. Your turn.
Do you drive yourself?
Yes, I do. But I'm looking for a driver in the future, actually, not now. Yeah.
And do you have some sports?
No, I don't. I only go for walk. Yeah. That's it. There should be at least. Listen, I mean, don't make yourselves limited that I will ask only two things. Try to ask as many as possible. I will stop you. Do you play cricket? Do you drink water? Do you go to the restaurants? Do you go for shopping? Something like that. Okay. Now let's go on. Please, it's your turn.
do you like eat fruits?
Do you like to eat fruits?
Do you like to
eat fruits? Yes, I do.
Yes. Do you like hoteling
Yes, I do. Once a week.
once a week? Do you like
Come on, come on.
do you like play billiard?
Do you like to play billiard? No, I
billiard.
don't. Okay,
Yeah.
your turn, please. Good.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like swim?
Do you like what?
Swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do.
Do you like drink water?
Yes, I do. You like drinking water, or do you
Drinking.
like to drink water? Both ways, it's right. Yes, I do. Okay. Is this all clear? Now, this time we'll go on and we are going to show our surprise. Now, what is surprise? Don't you watch TV? Now, sometimes we say, "Kya aap TV nahi dekhte?" Yeah, don't you watch TV? Or don't you use mobile? You know, sometimes say, "Don't you use internet?" Madam, don't you read the newspaper? See that? You're showing your surprise. And basically, you're going to focus the tone of your language. For example, don't you eat breakfast? "Oh, nashta nahi karte." Something like that. Don't you learn English? "Kya aap English nahi seekhte?" Like that. Okay, don't you? Come on.
Don't you wake up or early morning?
Very good. And show surprise. For example, don't you wake up early in the morning? Yeah. And?
Action.
Yeah. And surprise. You
Surprise
will
accent.
show surprise in your accent.
Don't you eating?
Don't you eat?
Don't you eat?
Yeah. Don't you eat Chinese food?
Do,
Okay.
don't you
Don't you
Do
offer
you-
the
don't you
prayers?
writing?
Yeah. Don't you?
writing?
Don't you write? First form.
Right.
Okay. Don't you write? Light. Please you.
Don't you drive?
Don't you drive? Very good.
Don't you walking?
Don't you walk in the morning? Walk, not walking.
Don't you walk in the morning?
Good.
Don't you play? No, don't you smoke? Don't
Yeah.
you smoking?
Don't you smoke cigarettes?
Don't you smoke cigarette?
Okay, that's right. Don't you smoke cigarettes? All right,
Uh,
that's fine. Yeah, one more.
Don't you have friend?
Don't you have friends? Good. Let's go on, please. Your turn.
Don't you read books?
Good.
Don't you like swim?
Don't you like to swim?
Don't you like to swim? And don't you like to walk?
Don't you like to walk? Very good.
And don't you like to play football?
Yeah, don't you like to play football? And try to use a variety. One sentence with like, don't you like to play football? Don't you go to the market? Don't you attend the concerts? Don't you listen to your parents? So try to use different words and phrases, then your language will improve. Okay? Yes.
Don't you cook?
Don't you cook?
Don't you spend your time with your family?
Very good.
Don't you like 7-Up?
Don't you like 7-Up? I do. Okay. And?
Don't you like to spend your time with your friends?
Okay, that's right. So guys, in present simple tense, like this, we will just go on and you have to make sentences. For example, first form of the verb will be used. In negative, you will use don't and again first form of the verb. And when you say, I get up early in the morning, it means every day. When you say, I don't eat fish, means you don't eat fish, it's not your habit, right? And when you say, do you get up early in the morning, you're asking the other person about their routine, okay? So this is how you can use present simple tense for that, right? Thank you.